Customizing the home screen. On your Android, the home screen is the screen that you arrive on when you turn on your phone. You will see 3 dots at the bottom of the home screen, and this shows you the number of home screens that you currently have. I can see the middle dot is in white, which means I am in the middle or the main home screen. If I swipe to the left, I can see the other home screen. Swiping to the right brings me back to the middle home screen, and swipe to the right again and I can get to the other screen. Pressing the home button will always return you to the home screen, and if you do a double tap on the home button, it'll always return you to the main home screen. We can go in and customize this home screen. When we talk about customizing the home screen, we talk about reconfiguring maybe the background image of the home screen, or what we call the wallpaper, and we can also change the position of icons and widgets, and we can also go in and, for example, remove widgets or icons that we're not using anymore. So to configure or to customize the home screen, go to a blank part of the home screen and do a long press. This automatically brings up this screen for you, which allows you to go in and customize either the wallpaper or the widgets, and also allows you to go into settings as well. If you tap the home button down at the bottom, it brings you back to the home screen and takes you out of the customize zone. Don't long press on an icon because that will think you're doing something with the icon. It's important when you do the long press that you're in a free area of the home screen. So again, I'm going to long press and it brings me into the customization area. Down at the bottom, you'll see the 3 main areas. You've got wallpaper, widgets and settings. So if I tap on wallpapers, I can see now the different wallpapers that are available to me. The Android comes with different wallpapers to choose from, and as you move your finger to the left here, you will see all of the different wallpapers that are available. Here, for example, is one called Phase Beam. This is what we call a live wallpaper because it moves in the background. If you like this, you can just press Set Wallpaper and then it sets that as the wallpaper for your home screen. To change it again, simply hold down on the main screen, go back into Wallpapers, and once again you'll get your range of different wallpapers to choose from. Select the one you want to use and it puts it into the background. You can preview these just by clicking on them once before you actually set them. Once you're happy with the wallpaper you've chosen, at the top of your screen you can then choose the option Set Wallpaper. If you have an image that you've taken yourself, you can go to the Pick Image button and you can choose one of your own pictures. Once this is done, press Set Wallpaper and then you'll see it's changed on screen. We can also move the icons around the screen. Long hold over one of the icons and then simply drag, and this allows you to change where the icon is on screen. Not only can you change where the icon is on this home screen, but you can, if you want, drag the icon to the right, and it allows you put it into one of the other home screens, and whenever you let go, that's where it'll place the icon. There has to be room for the icon. It won't allow you drop it if there's no room. We can also go and change where the widgets are. Again, in the same way, do a long hold over the widget and then you can drag and drop the widget into a different place on this screen, or you can go and drag it onto another home screen if you want to. When you let go, some of the widgets have sizing handles, these 4 little white boxes. This will allow you to go in and change the width and the height of the widget. Giving it more space might allow you to see the information slightly differently. Giving it less space might only show you a summary of the info that it's able to show you. If you want to delete an icon or a widget, simply do a long hold and then you can move it up, and when you hover over the remove button it turns red. The red is telling you now that you're about to delete this icon, so when you let go, it then removes it from the home screen. Same with the widgets. If you hold down, drag upwards to the remove, and when it turns red, you know that you're deleting it, so when you let go, it removes the widget. When you remove icons or widgets from your home screen like this, you are not uninstalling it from your Android. You are merely taking it off your home screen. In order to uninstall an app or a widget, you would need to go into the Play Store, and we'll cover this in another lesson.